ex-NFL player in court for the first time since he was charged with his mother's murder.
The case has taken a lot of twists and turns. CBS 2's Suzanne Le Mignot reports from Maywood, where Sergio Brown made his first appearance in court.
Brown looked very confused when he walked into the courtroom, as if he didn't even understand why he was there. Comments from the assistant state's attorney soon made Brown's presence in that courtroom very clear. Prosecutors say the case against former NFL safety Sergio Brown shows he's responsible for the murder of his 73-year-old mother, Myrtle Simmons-Brown. DNA evidence from two men was found under Simmons-Brown's nails. One was a match to DNA found on Brown's toothbrush. It's believed Simmons-Brown was murdered on September 14th after 6 p.m.
Cameras in the area captured the offender burning items in a fire pit on the evening of September 14th. Police later found burnt fabric in this same fire pit.
Prosecutors say hours later, Brown was on the internet buying an airline ticket.
The offender booked a one-way ticket to Cancun on September 15th at around 3 o'clock in the morning. An Uber driver drove the offender to the airport early on September 15th, and he flew out of Chicago that same morning.
Simmons-Brown's body would be found about 100 to 150 feet away from the back door of her Maywood home that she shared with her son Sergio. She was wrapped in a sheet in tall grass near a creek. The medical examiner said she died from blunt force trauma. Her iPad, credit cards, and phone were also missing from the house.
U.S. Customs and Border Patrol out of San Diego recovered the victim's cell phone, iPad, numerous credit card and bank cards in the victim's name from the bag the offender was carrying.
They're kidnapping me again.
On October 7th, Mexican authorities detained Brown and he was deported to San Diego. A passenger on the plane shot this video of Brown.
This is kidnapping!
While on the plane, he continuously said he was being kidnapped by authorities. Prosecutors say Brown used his mother's credit card to pay for an Airbnb, $1,797 for a stay in Medellin, Colombia. They say that meant that Brown planned to travel there from Mexico. Brown's public defender said all of the evidence from the prosecution is circumstantial. Brown was ordered detained. In Maywood, Suzanne Le Mignot, CBS 2 News.